The letter A is presented as a fundamental element of the alphabet. This letter serves as a foundational building block for language and literacy. Following the letter A, the word apple is introduced as an example. An apple is a common fruit, visually characterized by its shiny red skin. Its texture is notably crunchy, providing a distinct sensory experience. The flavor profile of an apple is predominantly sweet, making it a popular choice. The letter B is introduced as a fundamental element of the alphabet. It is visually associated with the word bunny to aid in recognition. A bunny is characterized by its hopping motion through green grass. Distinctive physical features of a bunny include long, fuzzy ears. This association reinforces the letter B through a memorable example. The letter C is introduced as a foundational element of the alphabet. It is commonly associated with the word cat, a domesticated animal. Cats are frequently observed resting on soft surfaces, such as rugs. This imagery often evokes the concept of a cat dreaming, perhaps of prey like mice. The letter D is prominently displayed, introducing its form and sound. It is paired with the word dog, illustrating a common association. A dog is shown, characterized by its wagging tail, a sign of happiness. This visual connection helps in recognizing and learning the letter. The letter E is introduced as a foundational element of the alphabet. It represents various words, including elephant, a prominent example from the animal kingdom. Elephants are recognized as giant animals, distinguished by their immense size and weight. A key characteristic of an elephant is its long, prehensile trunk, used for various functions. Another defining feature is their large, floppy ears, which aid in thermoregulation. These physical attributes collectively define the elephant, making it easily identifiable. The letter F is introduced as a fundamental element of the English alphabet. This introduction aims to associate the letter with a common animal, enhancing recognition. The chosen animal for this association is a frog, a well-known amphibian. Frogs are characterized by their ability to jump, often observed in their natural habitat. They typically inhabit ponds and frequently move between lily pads or leaves on the water's surface. This activity, jumping from leaf to leaf in a pond, commonly occurs during daylight hours. The letter G is prominently displayed, serving as a visual introduction. It is directly associated with the word garden, establishing a thematic link. A garden is depicted as a place of natural beauty and growth. Beautiful flowers are shown blooming within this garden setting. The scene is illuminated by the warm, gentle light of the morning sun. This imagery connects the letter G to the vibrant, flourishing environment of a garden. The letter H is introduced as a foundational element in the alphabet. It is commonly associated with the concept of home. Home represents a secure and comfortable environment. It is a place where individuals experience safety and contentment. The letter I is introduced as a foundational element in language and literacy. It is associated with ice cream, a popular frozen dessert enjoyed globally. Ice cream is characterized by its creamy texture and sweet flavor. It is known to melt rapidly, especially when exposed to warm temperatures or direct sunlight. The letter J is introduced as a foundational element in language. It is directly associated with the concept of joy. Joy represents a happy and positive emotional state. This feeling is often experienced during social interaction, such as playing with friends. The letter K is introduced as a foundational element of the alphabet. It is associated with the word kite, a common object. A kite is characterized by its ability to fly high in the sky. This aerial movement is dependent on suitable windy conditions. The letter L is introduced as a foundational element of the alphabet. It is visually associated with the word lion, a prominent example of its usage. Lions are recognized as the king of the jungle, symbolizing strength and leadership. Their distinctive roar is a characteristic feature, further defining the animal. The letter M is introduced, signifying its role as a foundational element. It specifically represents the celestial body, the moon. The moon is depicted as glowing softly, illuminating the dark night sky. This imagery evokes a sense of tranquility and universal presence while the world sleeps. The letter N is introduced as a fundamental element of the alphabet. It is associated with the word nest, which represents a specific type of animal dwelling. A nest is a small, carefully constructed home, typically built by birds. These structures are often crafted from natural materials like dry sticks, twigs, and leaves. Nests provide shelter and a safe environment for small birds and their offspring. The letter O is introduced, representing the initial sound in owl. An owl, a nocturnal bird, is depicted perched on a tree branch. The owl's large round eyes are a prominent feature, symbolizing the shape of the letter O. This visual association helps in recognizing and remembering the letter O. The scene reinforces the phonetic and visual connection between the letter and the animal. The letter P is introduced as a foundational element in early literacy. This letter is directly associated with the word play, a common and engaging activity. Play is defined as an activity enjoyed by individuals, often in groups. A typical setting for play is a park, providing an open and natural environment. Toys are frequently utilized during play, enhancing engagement and interaction. The combination of P for play in a park with toys illustrates a holistic learning concept.